Friends, good morning. Today I am going to show my economics project on the topic poverty. So you can take help from this project. First page, you have to take print out like this. Your school's name, topic, submitted by your name, class, roll number and the teacher's name. Then there is certificate. You can see that. And after that there is acknowledgement. We have to express our thanks to those people who have helped in making our project. So then the topic of the project, poverty in India. After that we have to make an index column. In this we have to write the topics which we have covered under this project. So you can see my topics: introduction, meaning of poverty, who are poor, measures of poverty, concept of poverty line and the number of poor in India, causes of poverty, government approach to remove poverty, and all these. You can see that. So first we will go to the introduction of this topic. What we have taken topic is that poverty. So firstly we have described the origin of the word poverty and all these, and also the COVID-19 situations also. Then what is poverty? You can paste the pictures to make it creative. Then after, it's a topic in which we have to give information about urban poverty and rural poverty. So there are two types of poverty in India. We are studying from 2 points: urban poverty, rural poverty. So first is urban poverty. So in urban areas we can see that push cart vendors, street cobblers, rag pickers and beggars, and they possess few assets. You can see that what I have all written. You can add more pictures also here. Then common characteristics of poor people. You can take the points. I have covered all the points. Then lack, this you can see. Then types of poverty. There are two types of poverty we can know: relative poverty and absolute poverty. So first we will understand about relative poverty. So you can see that. Then absolute poverty. It will be a short video, so I'm sorry I can't explain all the topics. Then how to measure absolute poverty. Then the concept of poverty line. You can see that. Then how many ways to categorize poverty. There are 3 types: is chronic, transient, non-poor. Then this is a topic related to that monthly per capita expenditure, calorie based. Then there is a question in our mind: is there any decrease in poverty levels? So according to the government, actually the poverty has reduced much more than in past years. In past years we have the poverty about 55%. Now it has decreased to 22%. So you can see the changes. And we go to the topic causes of poverty. So first, in the causes of poverty, we have taken the point population explosion, then low level of economic development, then high literacy rate, then high level of unemployment, high level of indebtedness and inequalities in income, inflation. Then government approaches to remove poverty, growth oriented poverty alleviation minimum needs program. So this all, let's see that. So now comes the topic poverty alleviation programs in India. So we have two types: is self-employment, wage employment programs. Then it comes here wage employment programs. Then what were the critical evaluation of poverty alleviation program? So here are some points why poverty alleviation programs were not successful in reduction in poverty. So lack of resources, an unequal distribution of assets, an improper implementation, lack of infrastructure, lack of active participation of poor people. Then measures to remove poverty. So acceleration of economic growth, reducing inequalities of income, population control, agriculture development, more employment opportunities, and last, land reforms. And then we came to the conclusion of this chapter. So in the whole topic we have covered that even after allocating and spending vast resources for removal of poverty, we are still far from reaching the goal. We have a successful we were not successful in all the poverty alleviation programs because there is lack of active participation of poor people, and due to the illiteracy also, they don't know about what policies government has made. So this all had made poverty alleviation programs a disadvantage, not a successful. But then also government is taking every year initiatives to help the poor people. But you can add also this, that there is improvement in terms of per capita income and average standard of living. Then the last came bibliography, from where we have taken these points and these topics and content. So you can see, first you can write the same Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is the main website from where all data came. So these you can write from where you have taken, as I have taken from Wikipedia, YouTube, and the book by Sandeep Garg, Indian Economic Development, and the NCERT of class 12th, Indian Economic Development. So here goes the conclusion of my project. So hope you like my project, and please do share my videos with your friends so that they can take the advantage of what I have told them to write. You can simply write these topics if you have taken the topic poverty. Thank you.